Hello guys, today we will talk about this Google Arrow navigation feature for the maps, and it's rolling out to Android and iOS, iPhone also guys. iOS it means all and iPhone. Okay, so it's also in iPhone. Google's Live View Arrow navigation feature is the finally rolling out to Android and iOS devices, means iPhone. Announced at Google's annual developer conference last year, the feature is now rolling out to according Arcore and ARKit compatible and Android devices and iPhone guys. Live View navigation uses a so-called virtual positioning system (VPS) virtual positioning system to give you direction to you simply hold up your phone camera and the map app will visually place your location and help you navigate with the augmented reality marker. The mode went into private testing earlier year guys. This is huge leap from the traditional compass based navigation on phones, which is imprecise and can cause confusion when standing still or moving at a low speed. This VPS system compares camera data with data capture from Google's Street View program to help places user in their environment. Google did demo a system where an Arrow Google did demo system and Fox or other creator would guide you to your destination, but that feature isn't rolling out to the public just yet. Now my YouTube advertising guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and be my follower, and here is the my YouTube channel guys. First of all, I want to request you to press the red button. It's a subscribe, and after subscribing you have to press the bell icon if you don't want to miss videos from my channel. Thank you so much watching this video.